Yeah, we got an old Wadsworth panel here. It's got no cover on it. The guy's selling the house and they want this safe. Inspector flagged it. So I got all the wires removed. I got them all identified. Electric company just came and pulled the meter. So what I'm going to do, instead of taking this whole cabinet out of the wall, which won't be easy, I got a brand new panel. I'm just going to take the guts from the new panel, which is right there with the new 200 amp main breaker. I'm going to retrofit it inside this panel here, and then the new cover will go on here, but I'm going to have to drill new holes to match up with these holes. That way it bonds the cover to the panel. You always want to connect metal to metal. You can't just throw drywall screws in to hold that on. So I'm going to have to measure to line up these holes again. That's probably the most difficult part of this job, is putting a cover on. Alright guys, I just figured I'd show what I do for work sometimes. This is an old house built like 1972. And I don't know why there's so many 220 circuits. So I told the owner, I said, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all connected to these 220 breakers. So I'm going to connect it right back to what it was. This is another, probably water heater, 220 circuit there. This big 80 amp wire, that's for the air conditioner, heat pump. And this must be for the oven. The 50 amp breaker is going to go on that. Alright, just figured I'd show this panel I'm changing out. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, after struggling with this thing for a while, I finally got the guts mounted in there. And I had to run spacers. It's a PVC spacer I put in there in order to get the panel to come out, so that the breakers lock into the spaces on the panel. Now the easy part is connecting all the wires. That's the easiest part of this installation. And then, like I said before, I'm going to have to measure off of these holes here. I'm going to have to re-drill holes on here so I can bond the cover to the panel. And I got the big wires on. Now I'm going to collect all the little stuff and start putting the breakers in. This is how you retrofit. See, if I pulled this whole cabinet out, we'd have to do surgery to this whole wall. And then you got to deal with these conduits coming out. So I opted to just change the guts out. There's the old cover. That's how you retrofit a 1970 panel to a modern one. Alright, I got it done. The top main breaker lined up pretty good. Some of the bottom ones didn't. I don't know why. But I got everything working. Customer's happy. And I had to retrofit, I had to drill holes in here. Match the old cabinet. There's the old cover. And I'm done. See you guys.